So Lisa asks here, do you think healing can help with energy blockages, or is it better to allow Shakti to work on these in her own time? Lisa, do you mean just healing in general, or do you mean energy healing or some other form of healing? Energy healing. Yeah. So, um, this is what I'll say about energy healing is that it can help. It can help, but we're not here to try and solve our quote unquote Kundalini symptoms or quote unquote Kundalini problems with some sort of external modality. So this is why some people will do Reiki, they'll do energy healing, they'll do like some sort of various modality, and they'll say that helped a bit, but still like this process is still challenging. We have to allow the process to unfold within. We have the original source of all healing modalities within us. The original energy healer is the Shakti within us, and we can support her, but we can also do too much. So we want to be mindful of not doing too much because that can amp up the system. It can push too much. We can have things coming up sort of prematurely, and it just might be as if we're trying to rush the system. So for things like, say, going to see an energy healer, it's not that it's completely off the table. It's an option. These things are an option. All of this is an option. Psychedelics, doing breath work, doing yoga, going for Shakti pod, going for an energy healing, these types of things. This is what I would say to anybody who's considering exploring any of that. See if it falls into the flow in an easy way for you, right? Just very easily. Is the energy healer close by? Did the flow bring them to you, or did you have to scour the yellow pages in your phone book or the internet, ask, all these different people, who do you know is an energy healer, and you're meeting all this resistance, and finally you find someone, and they're 3 hours away, and you're getting weird vibes from them? Then the flow, it's not in your flow, so don't go there. But if it's very easy, it's natural, it just kind of shows up, and like everything just lines up for you, then it's likely that you're meant to explore with them. Keep checking in with your body, checking in with your body as if you have like a red light, a green light, yellow light. What are the lights? Is it a red light? Is it a green light? Is it a yellow light? You're not sure. Slow down. Just see, just tune into your system. Your system will guide you because there are benefits that we can get from all these different things, psychedelic, Shakti pod, energy healing, Reiki, all this type of stuff. But we can't push too much. So we don't want to push too much. So we want to be um, the co-pilot and let the Shakti within be the main pilot. We're kind of just checking in, steering, guiding. But if we think that we're meant to be the pilot, now we have to take over control of this entire process and find all the ways to speed it up or to slow it down or to stop it or to fix it or to solve it or whatever, then we're going to end up, in a bit of difficulty. So that's what I'll say in general. If it's in the flow, by all means, explore, but don't expect it to completely resolve whatever it is that's going on inside of you. The process itself is the resolution. That is the resolution. This Shakti moving through the system is the answer ultimately, is the ultimate healer, right? We can support it, different things.